travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't live.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya. You're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body.
Hi guys, good morning. So we are outside and I just want to show you guys this few unboxings, right? Things I received this week. So technically they're part of this vlog, but I couldn't unbox them because I didn't have time. So starting with these flowers, and I don't know what to do with them because I got my nails done. I'm leaving today. I won't be home for like the next week, and I got these this week. I remember it was like a day before I wrote my exams. They are so pretty, and I just put them in the what's not the flowers, I put the flowers in the water as they are, like this. I did not have time, guys. Like, the tests I was writing were hectic. I remember the day after the test, that's when I had the event with Clicks and Flawless by Gabriela Union. So now I don't know, I'm just gonna put them in water and then leave them in the house. Hopefully after a week when I'm back. I also received this. It came with this cute note. They launched, I think it's a serum with a specific active ingredient. So there's this under eye patches. There's like 4, and then underneath we have this sheet mask. Oh, will I even use them? I don't know. Then let me take everything out. We also have a serum with the same active ingredient. There's a word for the stone. Is it a no, it's not a jade roller, but this stone is similar to a jade roller. Ooh, I think it helps with like blood circulation in your skin, increasing collagen. Yes, but I like it. It's cute. Ooh, I also like the bag. Okay, love the bag. The flowers came with wine, Betuna. The flowers came with wine. Yo, I'm gonna drink this when I'm back. I'll enjoy it. Right, to move to the event. It was a media launch for Flawless by Gabriela Union. The venue was beautiful. These are my goodies. There's this hydrating coat refresher spray. We have, what is this? A deep conditioner. We have a brush. At this point, I don't know how many brushes I have, but I'm not giving anyone. Sorry, guys. And then we have this restoring conditioner. The packaging is cute. Yeah, it's okay. Then we have the styling edge gel, repairing edge control. Okay, it repairs. Yeah. Then we have another bonnet now, and I'm also not giving it to anyone. Lastly, we have an edge brush. Ooh. But yeah, that's all the unboxings for today. I've put up my flowers. They look so pretty. And I can't believe that I'm leaving such a beautiful bouquet by itself, and it won't be outside because so I'm gonna have to put it in the house. It's so beautiful. Oh God, Sam. And look at my nails. Yo, I'm so in love with these nails, and I really think they're pretty.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind.
Okay, that's just alcohol. Yeah, we're gonna need it, but I don't know which brand is best. 2,000 what? 1,900. Oh, more cool. So what are Pamper? Garlic, yeah. My peppers. I'm a mix, but I think I was a fruit. I'm mixed. I have frozen. I'm frozen. La. Huh? Ma? I'm out of curiosity and knowing. Oh, so it will show the rands amount, the dollars amount. Okay, cool. Thanks. Oh, this mint is very nice, yeah. Siyabonga. The chicken smells nice.
And it's juicy.
Ini, it's just chicken out.
Something else is on your mind. Like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too.
I'm not getting What building is this? It looks nice. Maybe the nicest building in town.
Which one?
Really?
The white one? I don't know. Who might be?
Is it just a random building? Lona ngumsosobiyana. Lona ngumnyi. Lona ngumvi. Ah, ngumvi. Ngumvi. The Canon M50. What? Mkomo. Then what about the white, this stuff? Ngamasawa la. Look here na kwini. Msoso ano. Khemeswane. Yes, usankhohle. Unjani imali lo ama amxoxaxo. The for 2 cup. Okay. Uthe kusawa? I'm not sure to taste and lot. How does it taste like? I'm not gonna buy it. Eba. Uvele yabona singabantu ukuthi building that building nje is club ezin kaza sambe nithasa ebusuku masibuya.
Which was celebrated this week. I want to take this opportunity for this brother and with our quest to become prosperous and
I am so late, like embarrassingly late. Yeah. Hello. Good, thank you. Hi. Good, thanks. This name? Yeah, because I remember that says I'm selling on it.
And the table,
What are we eating? Hang on, let's actually my voice and I haven't eaten anything since morning. Let's change! Canon. And you chill, I came with 2 bottles, I want to go. She can't go alive. Because they are selling home pajama, I guess. I say, what's this restaurant in SA? Rocco Mama's. La Babenza so, but one of they have boxes here. So they give each person a sheet, a pen, you take what you want, you hand it over to the waiter.
Okay.
Google pen. 525 rand. So 525 rand. Because you see from this side it's nice and clear.
Yeah.
But then
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it.
I went to Zimbabwe, right? I was there I went there on Sunday last week. Today's Saturday. And then I came to Botswana yesterday, which is Friday. And I vlogged. Well, I didn't fully vlog as how I normally vlog. But there's snippets of what I was doing. And I've never done that before because mostly when I'm vlogging, I tell you guys what I'm doing, where I'm going. But when I left, I knew when I was gonna go, but I didn't have time to vlog because there's so many things that I had to do. And I was also still trying to finish the previous vlog and then know where to cut it off. That way I can start a new vlog. But yeah. But anyway, Zimbabwe was fun. I wish I stayed there for longer, but I could not because I'm writing my final exam soon. I also want to stay longer in Botswana because I always feel like when I come home is in Zimbabwe, home Botswana, I get to rest. I don't think too much. I don't work too much. Even though I do schoolwork, I also do less of it, not as much as I do when I'm in Joburg. And I also kind of appreciate it because I normally have my mom's here, my little sister here. When I was in Zimbabwe, I was with my sisters and my brother. So sometimes it's I get to rest because there's someone else to cook for me. There's someone else to do laundry for me. Well, I'm doing my laundry right now. But when I'm in these other countries, I don't do as much as I do when I'm in Joburg. And when I'm in Joburg, I'm on work mode, school mode, this mode, that mode. It's a lot of work. It's really crazy because we all went to Zim together, my siblings, my mom, and then we all came back. Well, not at the same time because I went to Zimbabwe with my sister, but then I came with my mom because I was coming to Botswana. Anyways, yeah, Zimbabwe was fun. I'm just gonna have it longer, then I would have had you guys experience Zim the way that I do sometimes when I'm there. Yeah, someone on Instagram said to me they're glad that I'm showing them a part of Zimbabwe that they don't see on social media or on TV. I'm not gonna lie, living Zimbabwe is not easy, guys. I see it. I see the people there. It's not easy. It's just hard. Not everyone gets to work. You don't have your normal working jobs where there's a clicks and you can work at clicks as a cashier. There's no clicks. There's no Woolworths. It used to be there, but it's not there anymore. There's no Discount. There's no... Okay, your normal average restaurants are there. You have your Nando's, your Steers, your KFC, but one in the city. Well, in the city of Bulawayo, not all of Zimbabwe, because there's Harare. I was not in Harare. I was in Bulawayo, just to make you guys understand that part. There's 3 different currencies. You can use the US dollar, you can use the South African rand, then you have to use the Zimbabwean. It's called RTGS. It's called retail something. You know what, I'll have it pop up for you guys to understand it. I got there on Monday. I went to town with my sister. I went to Econet to get a new SIM card, and we bought a few things that I hadn't eaten in a while, like a casket and pork pie. What else did we do? We just bought a few groceries, not really groceries, but like 2 or 3 things like bread, and then that was it. On Tuesday I spent the whole day with my family, which was fun. On Wednesday I went out to town with my sister, and I met a few of my friends who stay in Zim that I hadn't seen in a long time. We had lunch and we had ice cream. We walked around town. We bought a few things from like the street vendors. Umvi, umsosobiyane, umkemiswane. These are words in Ndebele, guys. If you don't know that, it's okay, but it's really good stuff. It's good food. Then on Thursday I spent the morning with my family again, which was really nice. All my siblings. In the morning we were also in town. I went back home, I changed, and then I went back in town to see my friends. We went to this cool spot called Smokehouse, but like I said, I wish I can go back and stay a little bit longer. Hopefully I can do that soon. And now I'm in Botswana, excited because I get to rest. I don't know when I'm leaving Botswana to go back to South Africa, but I'm here. Guys, I've vlogged when I was in Botswana before, so I may not even vlog that much because I just want to rest. Okay, I want to rest. But yeah, let me finish doing laundry and make myself breakfast because I'm hungry. Also, I think I'm getting flu. Yeah, because of the whole traveling thing. The windows are open in the cars because it's hot in Zimbabwe. It's hot. It's also hot in Botswana. So me traveling from Zim to here, or whenever I was in Zimbabwe throughout, you would have the windows in the car open all the time, so the air, the wind. Yeah, I'm definitely getting flu. I wanted to have done condoms when I was going to Zim, but I didn't have time, and my hair is fine, but it's dry and it needs to be washed. I actually washed it in Zim. Like I had a whole skincare routine, body care routine, hair care routine thing going on, but I feel like I still need to properly do it and detangle. I didn't detangle and properly do condition. My hair needs that. I need to do that for my hair.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. You lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you.
It's not here. I'm not okay. My rice is not here. There's this basmati rice from Tastic. It's in a purple packaging. It's not there, and I can't buy any other rice, unfortunately. It's similar to this one, but this one is jasmine. Yona e basmati. It tastes so good. Abanayo, and it's always scarce. So whenever I get it, I get to like buy like 4 kg. It lasts me months, but it finished. So now
you could say whatever and I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day.
Guys, I just cleaned my fridge. I've put these containers that I used to store more food. So there's also order, but I'm like so happy. I got this at Pap. I love this one because it's divided like that. I usually store mushrooms here, and then on the other side I put baby tomatoes. I do have a water dispenser. I actually have to remove it and clean it. I think it stores about 2 liters of water, but I barely use it. So here, my water and milk and wine. Yes, that's... I don't really buy cold drink a lot. I just buy orange juice or oros, guys. That's it. I don't really like cold drink that much. Then at the top, my eggs stay here. Then if I have cheese, I would put it here. Or maybe like if I have an avocado that I opened, it's in half, I put those in a zip bag. I would put that here. And guys, I've had this fridge since 2018. I was still a student then. Well, I'm still a student now. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I've been a student, and in as much as I'm a student, you know, I always try to buy things that are practical, things that I can keep for long. So I mean, I've had this fridge for 4 years now, but I love it, and it still works, and it's huge. So imagine if I had bought like a bar fridge or a smaller fridge, I'd have definitely had to buy stuff again. So, in case you haven't watched my previous vlogs, I have 3 of these things, right? I got them from Mr. Price. One of them is for my water, one is for milk, the other one is just not for food. It's usually flowers. I have 2 vases for flowers. Look, I can tell that this one is for milk. I always know when I'm like washing it and everything, so then I keep them here. They have like a wooden lid. I got these at Pap as well. I forgot to tell you guys, in case you didn't watch my other vlogs. Pap Home. Then this is from this other store in Ferndale and Republic. It's called Crazy Plastics. I have 2 of these actually. Yeah, things are cute, man. I like cute things. I haven't had time to do my hair. Like the entire October my hair was out. We're in November, it's still out. I haven't braided it, and I don't know. And I was thinking of doing a series on Instagram because I did it last year in December. Last year in December it was like 12 days of hair care tips. I'm planning on doing something similar to that again on Instagram. So if I'm writing my exams next week, like that's like the 2nd week of November, so which means I can't braid my hair until I'm done my exams so that I can shoot the videos, then I can braid. So it means I'll only be able to braid my hair towards the end of November. So another 3 weeks with my hair out. Sure. And it's so dry and dirty. This white residue is because of the water that I sprayed right now, and I applied a little bit of cream, you know, to give it some life. But anyways, let me go before I'm late for my nail appointment. Let's go suck these nails off. I enjoyed them so much, but it's time.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the space.
Our shoes, not yet. Our shoes. Okay. Last time.
I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope
I think I'll be trying. Thanks, yes. But now my son so enjoyed so
you're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you say no, it's all the
Oh, the scrub. The purple one was nice. I liked it. I'll rather forget everything. My eye is there. Don't worry. First time I'm happy actually. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. The reason I came here or I come here is because it's close to my place. So I do my notes a little bit far. So yeah. Huh?
I guess I'm the one that brought you back.
No. It's her. She did them nicely. She did a good job. Oh, and you too.
means that you'll come home to me once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
Guys, I like those shoes. Moses. Ngiyabonga ne ngizothatha yena ke manje ngizoyethilile ngebisela le thanks ne these shoes are also really nice. Ngithanda izinto mina. I love the heel. This heel is perfect. How much are they?